today, for those who went here with their January issue, will have the chance to meet our cover girl. She's none other than the New Year sparkler, Miss Carla Humphreys. The New Year sparkler. Good evening, Carla.
Good evening, guys. Thank you so much for coming today to the signing of FHM's January issue with yours truly on the cover.
When you were offered to pose for FHM, what was going through your mind?
Siyempre, nervous ako, pero maganda naman yung kinalabasan. Diba, guys? Okay ba? Yeah. So, happy talaga ako sa kinalabasan ng magazine. Sobrang maraming salamat sa support ang binibigay niyo sa akin at saka sa FHM. Sana pagsabihan niyo buong pamilya niyo at lahat ng kaibigan niyo, lahat ng kakilala niyo, even the people na makabanggaan niyo lang ngayon sa mall, na bumili ng FHM. At habang nandito ako, talagang isa-sign ko lahat ng copies. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagpunta.